Hello everyone, how are we doing? So today I'm going to make the famous cashew juice, and this is my simple ingredients to my cashew juice. Some cashew fruits with some ginger, and let's begin. So the first step is to separate the cashew seeds from the fruits. So after washing the fruits, then we're going to cut the fruits up. So we dice them in small pieces to use to chop in the blender. Blend the cashew and the ginger together. So now add the cashew and the ginger to the blender. Add 1 cup of water, then start to blending at a slow pace. Then we're going to gradually build the speed of the blender. The aroma from the cashew is so good. It smells very good. Believe me. Cut it and strain. So right here, as you can see, I'm extracting the juice from the blend. I've used 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to use not a lot, but say a half cup full of lime juice. Voila! In here I've made a wonderful cup of cashew juice. So guys, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you for joining me.